Visible is forcing customers on its legacy Visible Unlimited plan to make some changes. Hi, I'm Jen with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. Last year, Visible rolled out two new plans called Visible Basic and Visible Plus, and those plans were intended to replace the now retired Visible Unlimited plan. At the time, Visible told customers that they could stay on the Visible Unlimited plan if they wanted to, but that eventually that plan was going to go away and they would have to move to one of those two new plans, and it appears that time has now come. Visible has notified customers that they need to make a change by September. They are discontinuing the autopay service effective July 1st. So if anyone is still on Visible Unlimited, they can still pay their bills, but they'll have to do it manually for July and August. But then as of September, there will be no renewal option. The plan is going to go away. Any service will be terminated. So if you're still using Visible Unlimited, the time has come that you will have to make a change and you need to do it by September. So the two new plans, Visible Plus and Visible Basic, one of the main or most significant differences between those new plans and the old Visible Unlimited is that Visible Unlimited used a cloud-based service that used proxy servers to access the Verizon network, whereas the new plans are directly on the Verizon network. So that means two things. It means faster ping times, lower latency, as well as those accounts now have access to the Verizon roaming partners, since Visible is a Verizon prepaid subsidiary. So that does increase the coverage area for those plans. The Visible Unlimited plan was $40 a month, but customers could get it down to as low as $25 if they were using Party Pay, but Party Pay is also going away with Visible Unlimited. The new plans, the Visible Plus plan is $45 a month and Visible Basic is $30 a month. Now, all three of these plans have unlimited data as well on device as well as on hotspot, even though the hotspot data is capped at 5 megabits per second. The Visible Plus plan, though, has access to the Verizon 5G ultra wideband network, whereas the other two plans only access the 5G nationwide network. Also, Visible Plus, any data that's used on 5G ultra wideband is all considered priority data, and then any data on the nationwide network, the first 50 gigabytes of that data is also high priority, and then it would be subject to network management after that. But Visible Basic, Visible Unlimited, both are subject to network management at any time. So either way, no matter which plan you choose, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive if you were utilizing Party Pay. But even the top tier plan, the Visible Plus, even at $45 a month, that's still a pretty good plan when you compare that to other prepaid subsidiary options. So again, you have to make a change by September 1st. You can either pick one of the other two new Visible plans, or you can always port out your number to a different provider if you choose. But whatever you do, you need to just make sure that you do it by September. So that's everything in a nutshell. We also have a story written on our website, and if you want to take a look at that, you can find that at rvmobileinternet.com.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.